Buccaneers, I hope you all good. Welcome to my channel. Guys, I would like to plead with all the Buccaneers fans too. Hey, siyekela ukugxeka le player leli. Sinoxolo kwayiba usasemusha ku-Pirates. I-confidence yakhe isephansi. The more athola ama-chances okudlala ilana azophakamisa khona i-confidence. Umdlalo obaluleke kakhulu. Pirates bengeke imthenge ukube akusumdlali ocacile. Bengicela sonke nje simnikeze i-support ayidingayo umfana ukuthi akwazi nje ukuthi asibonise i-talent lakhe. Ngiyanicela mabhakaniya, bopha mzomnyama nakanjani.